Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Silvaranisa Anissa and I'm from 6B, and in here I want to explain the material about Pigeon Crowley and Creolization. Okay, the first is Pigeon and the next is Crowley, and the last material is Creolization. Okay, the first material is pigeon. Um, the pigeon is a simplified form of speech formed out of one or more existing language and used as a language phrase by people who have no other language in common. And the history of pigeon is the history of pigeon begins in the early 19th century in the South China city of Guangzhou. Chinese merchants interacting with English speakers on the docks in this port adopt and modified the word business in a way that, by centuries end, had become pidgin. The word itself then became the descriptor of the unique communication used by people who speak different languages. Pidgins generally consist of small vocabulary, but some have grown to become a group's native language. Examples include Sea Island Creole, spoken in South Carolina Sea Island, Haitian Creole, and Louisiana Creole. The word pigeon also gives us one particular meaning of pigeon, the one defined as an object of special concern or accepted business or interest, as in tennis is not my pigeon. And the next is pigeon arises with an urgency to serve specific needs between social groups that are ethnically and linguistically different from each other. Okay, the next is example of pigeon. An example of early Hawaii Pidgin English, spoken in Honolulu in the late 18th century. And what from Miss Willis Luck laugh all time before Frelin cry all time. And the next example is examples and observations. At first, a pidgin language has no native speakers and is used just for doing business with others with whom one shares the pidgin language and no other. In time, most pidgin language disappear as the pidgin speaking community develops, and one of its established language becomes widely known and takes over the role of the pidgin as the language friend or language of choice of those who don't share a native language. Many different pidgin languages survive today in territories which formerly belonged to the European colonial nations and act as language friends. For example, West African Pidgin English is used extensively between several ethnic groups along the West African coast. Okay, the next material is characteristic of Pidgin. The first is a product of multilingual tree language and has limited function, e.g. trait, has simple structure and has limited vocabulary and has no native speakers and is used just for doing business with other with who one shares the pidgin language and no other. The next material is Creole. Creole is a pidgin that has become the first language of native speakers. And Creole language is a descendant of the pidgin language, which is the mother tongue for a group of people from different backgrounds. General studies show that the Creole language that exists in the world show similarities, especially in terms of grammar. This Creole language is also influenced by the vocabulary spoken by its speakers. Creole language developed for the following reasons: the gathering of various people from different backgrounds, meaning in area there is contact between native and immigrants who have different language. From here, then used a means of communication, but is influenced by the innate vocabulary of these people. Okay, the next is characteristic of Creole, and the first is its pidgins adopt as the native language but have expanded in some linguistic aspect. The next is have wider functions, and the next is it's a natural language mixed from two different language. The next is different with pidgin, and the last is most Creoles were created in the colonies. Okay, example of Creole. And you are not alone if you are wondering what is Creole language. In its broadest sense, a Creole language is one that develops when people who don't understand each other's language spend enough time together that their language combine so they can understand each other. That's the simplest Creole language definition. You will find there are many types of Creole language spoken in different areas in the world, and each is unique combination of various language. And types of Creole language. With different Creole words that have been used by different cultures all over the world. The various Indian Ocean Creole language are based on a combination of European and Asian language. And number two is Atlantic Creole language are largely based on a combination of European and African language. The next is Belize Creole language. The Creole language spoken in Belize is known to natives as Belize Creole and uses a phonetic writing system. Unlike many other Creole languages, Belize Creole is an English-based language. Slaves in Belize fused their language with the English spoken by slave owners to create a new language. Most Belizeans speak Creole in addition to English and Spanish. The Creole English Dictionary or Creole English Dictionary can help you better understand Belize Creole. For example is, when you see AA in Creole, it is pronounced like the A in father, only drawn out longer. The letter C is never used alone in Creole. When you see HN after any vowel, it means you have to pronounce the vowel through your nose. The next is French Creole language. French Creole is any type of Creole language based on the French language. like Haitian Creole and Mauritian Creole. Louisiana Creole is also sometimes referred to as French Creole, and Louisiana Creole is thought to have developed out of interactions between French colonies and Africans left on plantations along the Mississippi River around New Orleans. And the next is Guyanese Creole language. In Guyana, they refer to their Creole language as Creoles. About 17,000 people speak Creoles, which is a mix of African language with Dutch and English. There are different versions or dialects of Creoles around Guyana, but most are broken down by a class system. People from the upper class typically use the acrylic variety. People from the middle class use the Mesolithic variety. People from the lower class use the Basilic variety. And the next is Haitian Creole language. Haitian Creole is based largely on French and African language and is spoken by 85 million people in Haiti. It's one of Haiti's official languages. The Haitian Creole alphabet is made up of three two letters of or letter combination. For example, A is called ah and is pronounced like the A in the English word hat. W is a vowel called on and is pronunciation like the WW in the English word pool. And Jamaican Creole language. The Jamaican Creole language is often referred to by non-native as simply Jamaica and by native as patois. The unique Creole language uses gesture, tones, and writing as important elements of its spoken form. English, French, and African language form the basic for patois. Patois is made of about 16 letters of letter combination. For example, is the R at the end of a word is often dropped. A double T in an English word or TT is changed to a KK. An H can be added to or removed from a word at will. An example of Creole's word and phrases. A list of Creole examples with words and phrases from different forms of Creole can help you understand how these languages are similar and different. The first is Haitian Creole, and number two is Bondi, and the next Bonjour, Didak, A Laba, Has, Idrin, Comentuye, Mi Tel Am. I told him, Muen Pa Konen, I don't know. Okay, example of Creole have two. The first is Costa Rican Creole and the last is Doc Pisian Creole. Okay, the next material and the last material is creolization. Creolization is a process where a pidgin expands in structure and vocabulary in order to express a range of meanings and serve the range of function required of a first language. The language that provides a Creole with most of its vocabulary is called the lexicographic language. For example, the lexicographic language of Gula, also called Sea Island Creole English, is English. Okay, I'm done. Okay, thank you. I think enough for my explanation and my material of the definition of pidgin, creole, and creolization. So last I say thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.